here, so we're making rabbits. Ding, 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 ding.
What do we need? We need color pen. We need scissors. We need tape.
We need 4 strips of paper for the body, 2 circles for the head, and these for the ears, and these for the arms and feet.
First, let's color the ears. Go.
Next, we're going to draw the face, the eyes, mouth, and face. Now we're going to stick the ears by using the tape. First, let's stick ears here,
Stick the ears.
and then stick the other ears.
Stick the ears. And another. Next, we're going to make the body.
This is the body. It will make the rabbit jump. Tung.
Then go.
Next, we're going to put the head on top of the body by using the tape. Yes. Need help?
No.
Oh, wait.
Now let's draw the feet. Finished one. Now we're going to stick the arms and legs to the body. Here.
And now the rabbits are free to jump. Ding, dong,